If you're looking for a drone that feels premium, flies smart, and captures cinematic footage, the DJI Air 3 might be one of the smartest drone buys in 2026. This is not just another drone with big promises. It's a drone trusted by creators, travelers, and filmmakers because it balances camera quality, battery life, and safety in a way few drones can. Today, I'm giving you the real review and why so many people still choose it. The biggest highlight of the DJI Air 3 is its dual camera system. You get a wide-angle camera for epic landscape shots and a medium tele camera for cinematic close-up shots. Both cameras deliver sharp 4K video, smooth slow motion, and strong color quality for editing. In simple words, this drone gives you multiple creative angles in one flight, making your videos look far more professional. Now let's talk real flying performance. The Air 3 offers impressive battery life, giving you longer time in the air compared to many drones in its class. It also comes with obstacle sensing around the drone, helping avoid crashes and making flight safer. The signal connection is strong and stable, so whether you're filming mountains, beaches, or city shots, confidence in the air feels high. Where the Air 3 really wins is balance. Some drones have great cameras but weak battery. Some fly well but lack premium image quality. The Air 3 combines both. It folds compact, feels premium, handles wind well, tracks subjects smoothly, and creates footage that looks professional for YouTube, travel content, cars, real estate, and social media. The honest downside is the price and size. It costs more than beginner drones, and if you only need casual vacation clips, it may be more than you need. But if you want quality and long-term value, it makes sense. So, is the DJI Air 3 worth buying in 2026? Absolutely. It's powerful, reliable, creative, and built to grow with your skills. This isn't just a drone for today. It's a drone that still feels impressive tomorrow. Drone Dominator.